Alright, for those of you who have claimed your CAKECORE, okay, go and delegate it. Okay, open your account, go and delegate it before launch time, like before the listing time. According to them, they said they are going to be listing it or launching it September. Alright, connect your wallet, then you click on those this three line, you see delegate, click on delegate. Alright, so let's reload the page again so that it will show perfectly well. Alright, so once it shows like this, connect your wallet, that's all. So you need to deposit your CAKECORE. Okay, so just click on you can click on this, click on deposit, put the amount. So let me delegate 20,000. Click on deposit. So you just need to confirm it using some gas fee. Alright, transaction completed. Okay, you can see it. Alright, so you can be claiming your profit here. Okay, this is claim. You can be claiming your profit you get every 24 hours. So if you want to undelegate it, just click on undelegate. Your CAKECORE will be returned back to your wallet. Alright, so this is just it. So you go to your wallet. So that's just it.